Hi beautiful people, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, bro, it feels so good to see that. Anyways, retake. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna show you guys how to enhance your features using literally a little bit of makeup, little to no makeup. I just say to no makeup just so it could sound a little better, but I'm not wearing foundation right now. I'm gonna insert a clip right now of how my face looked before we did these very easy, very simple, short steps to enhance my look. And I mean, just look at it and tell me if y'all wouldn't want to watch the rest of the video. Okay, so I mean, I feel like that should have been enough to have you guys here still. I mean, if you don't believe me, you can click off right now, but if you do, then let's jump right into it. So the first thing I want to start with is my eyebrow. So everybody get your spoolies out, and we're just going to comb our eyebrows up and outward. They don't even need to be groomed. My eyebrows not groomed right now. Up and outward. Now we're gonna use some type of gel. I'm just gonna be using the Got2b glue. If you have like eyebrow gel or brow gel, that would be very great. We're just gonna do the same thing, upward and outward as we get to the end. Now I'm just gonna take the end of the spoolie and I'm just going to basically like comb it into place, I guess I would say. Okay, and while that dries, I'm just going to move to my under eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin concealer in the shade Camouflage. I'm just going to take a dot and place it right underneath my eyes and right to the end. So I want y'all to pay attention to my eyes and how me concealing underneath my eyes is going to lift my face, and it's going to look like my cheek is going to be going in an upward motion. So I'm just pay very close attention to this. Now I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to place a little dot right underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna let that sit for a while. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back to my eyebrows. Sorry about the pull back and forth thing. I'm just gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to make upward like strokes, like so. I'm just gonna outline the bottom of my eyebrow. Kind of like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my spoolie and just brush that in an upward motion, upward and outward. I want to make sure it blends as much as possible because we want our eyebrows to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna go back in with my Maybelline Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm just going to outline the bottom of my eyebrow, like so. And now I'm going to go in with my Skin Super Stay Concealer. I'm just going to put a little dot like that. And now I'm going to go in with a brush and we're just going to fix it. Sorry about me looking to the side. I know I want to make eye contact here, but it's kind of difficult because my mirror is right over here. And pass it over the concealer that I added to the bottom. I'm gonna drag it towards the front and the middle of my face, right above the nose bridge, and voila. We're gonna go in with a concealer brush and I'm just gonna slightly blend. I'm gonna go ahead and blend in my concealer right underneath my eye. So I'm gonna start right with the darker shade, and we're just gonna pat it in the same place. We don't want to drag it underneath. We just want to pat in the same spot. What I want you guys to notice is how it already gives my face that lift, whereas this side is like it gets rid of my eye bags that I have underneath here, underneath my eyes. If you compare this one to this one, this eye bag is way more visible. I'm just gonna go in with a beauty blender and we're just gonna pat that in place. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Setting Powder, and I'm just going to apply some setting powder right underneath my eye area. I'm gonna pat that in like this. I don't know if you guys can tell or if you guys can remember what my eye looked like before, but you can definitely see how this was lifted. Whereas compared to this side, you can't really see that lift. Let me just do a little turn for you guys. And you guys can see that just by doing just that, it enhanced my features a whole lot, like yeah, by a lot. So I'm gonna go in with my eyelash color. I'm just gonna curl my eyelash really quick, really quick. I'm just gonna go in with my SFR Color Hyper Curl Mascara. It's waterproof, and guys, let me tell y'all, this mascara is all you need in your life. Like, let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. And it comes in this box right here. And I feel like it's waterproof, which I absolutely love, and it just extends your eyelash. And then when you wash your face or if you cry, it doesn't run, so you definitely need this mascara in your life. So I'm just gonna do a little shake. Okay, so we added some mascara, and already, like, just look at that. Look at the difference. Like, come on guys, y'all sleeping, and you don't even need to be like a whole makeup artist to do this or anything. Like, it's really simple. Just follow the steps that I just showed you guys, and look at this. It looks like so real. Like, you would never think like I'm wearing makeup. Okay, so after all this, all we need to do is throw on some lip gloss and we're ready to go. So I have this really nice plumping lip gloss that I just bought. It's the She Pumping Lip Gloss. So it kind of like makes your lips look full and plump, and I've really been liking it lately. I'm gonna put some on half of my lip, like so. And guys, look at the difference. Look at the difference. So I'm just gonna go repeat everything I did here to this side so you guys can see the finished product and you could probably try it out. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my entire face, and now I'm gonna put a side-by-side comparison so you guys can tell the difference. And guys, this literally does not even have to take more than 10 minutes. Literally, it doesn't have to take that long. And you can go from this to this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it down in the comment section. If you guys have any questions or anything that you guys would like me to elaborate on or go a little bit more in detail with the steps, please leave a comment down in the comment section down below. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.